let's unbox something that no one usually needs anymore. It's a VGA PC monitor replacement cable. Now, I picked this up and figured we'll check it out. It's something you don't see often. I really hate to open it because it's kind of an antique now. Unless you got a use case scenario that you might be using one of these, like one of the older PCs or something, I guess, if you're into that kind of tech. But let's just go ahead and open it and have a look at it. I actually found this at a thrift store. It's very cheap too, you know, like $1. So, never said I was a good unboxer, or if this is a proper way to open this box. You know, you guys can chime in and let me know if it is. Let me get out of your light. There we go. We just peel it open now. Get it out. Wow. Unboxing old technology. Wonder how old is this? Does this got a date on it? It was $2.99. My bad, guys. That was $1. 2007. Not as old as I thought it would be. Here's the cable. That's on there pretty good. It's that simple. I ain't got nothing I don't think I can hook this up to. Do I got a graphics card old enough? No. I do got a motherboard that it would work on. DDR2. But honestly, I don't think I got a monitor that this will work on anymore. Would you like to see the quality of gaming on one of these cables? Let me know in the comment section below. If you do, I might pick us up a monitor. You can get them at thrift stores and stuff pretty cheap, and outdated monitors. We'll give it a go and see what it looks like. What do you think? Comment section, guys. And thank you for watching this short unboxing video. It's old technology, I know. But it's still good technology? I don't know, that's debatable. But see you next time. If you're new, get subscribed. If you already subscribed, I appreciate you watching. See you next time.